Hi, this is Gloria Shirley, and this is my tutorial on downloading a Canvas course from Commons. Here I am on my Canvas dashboard, and I'm going to scroll down here, and over on the right, I need to first create a shell to drop my import into. So I'm going to click on Start a New Course, and I'll give my course a name. And then I can give it a short name if I want. And then I'll create my course. Now I'm ready to go get my content that I want to import, and there's two ways I can do that. I can either click Commons over here, or I can click Import from Commons here. I'm going to go in this way just to show you one of the two ways. Here I am in Canvas Commons, and I'm going to sort by courses. So we'll do that. And you can also change your sort here or sort for more than one type of resource, but I'm going to just type in here secondary 2 math. So you can see I got some hits from that search. Let's just see what this is. Now, you have only a limited preview in Commons. You can only really see all the content once you import it into your new course. So I can click through here and it will just list assignments. So you can see this course has been built out quite substantially. I can click through the different menu items and kind of get a limited preview of what's in there. So this looks like something I would be interested in. So I need to come over here and select the new course, or the course shell, I call it, where I want to put that. So this lists all the courses I have in my Canvas account, but we called it secondary, so you can see these are alphabetical. So I'm going to select that, and then it allows me to import into course. Now I want to go back to my dashboard here, and we will go into the Canvas course and see if it has populated with the import. So here's my course, and I like to start on the modules page, and you can see all the content has imported into my new Canvas course. Now I can see the full functionality of this course. I can open assignments and videos and make sure it's what I want. Also, something you need to know is you can go into settings and customize the course details, so start and end dates, sections if you want to create different sections. This is the way you set your navigation for your students and so on. The other thing you want to know is this course is fully editable for you. You can change the content as you see fit to meet your needs. This has been my tutorial, and thanks for listening.